Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to make a wire transfer on Coinbase. Now step 1 is just open the application of Coinbase in your mobile phone, and from here you can just click on these three lines on the upper left corner, and once you click here you will be on this page like with your name and account and settings. So just click on your name, or you can just click on account and settings, and once you click here you will be sent to this page. So from here you can just scroll down and add a payment method. If you don't have wire transfer, you can just click on add a payment method, and you can just click on wire transfers. And once you click on wire transfers, so you can just enter your routing number, which is will be like enter your 9-digit bank routing number ABA. So make sure to enter your 9-digit APA into this section, and once you enter that, just click on continue. And once you click on continue, you will be able to do wire transfer through your Coinbase app. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.